Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest insights on the best tech gear out there. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Magsafe Compatible 15W wireless charger on the market, the TNDA-JI Magnetic Wireless Charger. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and Apple-friendly way to power up your iPhone or AirPods, stay tuned because this one might end your charger hunt for good. Let's start with what makes this charger stand out: magnetic precision and 15W fast charging. The TNDA-JI charger is built with a powerful magnetic array that aligns your device perfectly every single time. Whether you have the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max or even an older iPhone 12, the charger snaps into place with satisfying accuracy. You don't have to fiddle with positioning. Even if your phone vibrates during charging, this pad keeps it locked in. Now let's talk speed. TNDA-JI isn't playing around when it claims 15W fast wireless charging. Using a proper PD adapter of 15 to 20 watts, you can juice up your iPhone to 50% in just 30 minutes. One of the most underrated features of this charger is its LED system. It's got a smart breathing LED light that gently pulses blue when charging and turns off automatically after a minute. This might sound like a small detail, but if you've ever had a charger that lights up your whole room at night, you'll appreciate how sleep-friendly this one is. If there's a foreign object on the pad or any abnormal charging behavior, it flashes blue and green rapidly to alert you. It's subtle, smart, and safe. Speaking of safety, this thing comes with a built-in smart chip that monitors everything: overcharging, overheating, short circuits, you name it. On the back, it even has a honeycomb-style cooling vent to help dissipate heat while keeping the charge stable and efficient. So whether you're topping off at your desk or charging overnight, you're covered. Let's talk compatibility. This charger is tailor-made for Apple users. It works with all Magsafe compatible iPhones from the 12 series all the way to the brand new iPhone 16 lineup. It also supports AirPods Pro and AirPods with wireless charging cases. But a quick heads up, if you're using a thick or non-magnetic case, it might interfere with the magnetic connection. TNDA-JI recommends a Magsafe compatible case for best results. Inside the box, you're getting everything you need to get started: the magnetic wireless charging pad, a 3-foot USB Type-C charging cable, and a USB-A cable too. Whether you're plugging into a modern USB-C hub or a traditional USB-A port, you're ready to go. Dual port support adds flexibility, which is a rare bonus at this price point. And yes, if you're outside the US, the charger is rated for 120 volts. So you might need a voltage converter depending on your location, but that's typical for most US electronics. To sum it up, the TNDA-JI 15W magnetic wireless charger is more than just a charging pad. It's a smart, fast, and travel-friendly solution built with Apple users in mind. With magnetic precision, rapid charging speeds, safety features, and a sleek, silent LED design, this charger nails it on almost every front. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech breakdowns just like this. And let us know in the comments, what charger are you using right now, and are you ready to upgrade? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.